Good morning, students. Today, I am going to teach you your second chapter of English course book, and the chapter is Traveling with Grandfather's Jew, written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was an Indian-born author. Now, first of all, look at the word meanings of this chapter. Apart from these word meanings, you have also word meanings in the chapter also. You have to note down all the word meanings in your fair copy. Now, uncommon, unusual, select, screamed, cried loudly, चीख जोर से चिल्लाना, स्पेक्ट सलीवा, लार थूक, इंसिडेंट इवेंट घटना, डोज्ड ऑफ एज हाफ asleep झपकी लेना, सोने की कोशिश करना, टक्ड पुल्ड हार्ड, evidently, clearly, beneath, under, dashed out, gone out, dash out, go out, dashed out, gone out. This is in past tense. Distrust, doubt, sandeh. Now, Traveling with Grandfather's Jew, written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British origin. His novel poems and short stories, also essays, display his love for nature, especially for mountains. रस्किन बॉन्ड के जो भी नॉवेल्स, शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, प्ले, इससे वो सब प्रकृति प्रेम के ऊपर है, खास करके पर्वतों के ऊपर, माउंटेन्स. रस्किन बॉन्ड गॉट मेनी अवार्ड्स फ्रॉम इंडिया, लाइक साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड, पद्म विभूषण अवार्ड, पद्म भूषण अवार्ड. He is famous writer of Indian. Now, look at the story. This story is about a journey with pets. Here, writer or narrator, because writer and narrator is one person, and that is Ruskin Bond. Once upon a time, Ruskin Bond, writer, will have to go to spend some months in Lucknow. He will have to journey with his grandfather's grandmother and some pets. Pets here, पालतू जानवर. And if, as you know, when somebody wants to spend a trip with pets, some incident, some event, घटना must be occur in the way of journey. So, we will see first of all the characters of this story. The characters of these stories are now characters are narrator, poet, a pet parrot, Timothy, a pet tiger, python, a snake, grandmother, grandfather, and Aunt Mabel. These are the characters of this story. The story begins with when narrator wants to go to spend some months with his Aunt Mabel in Lucknow. For this, he will have to go Dehra to Lucknow, and the journey begins with grandfather and grandmother. When they decided to go from Dehra to Lucknow, grandmother, instead of taking his pet parrot Popoy, वो उसे ले जाना चाहती थी, उसकी ग्रैंडमदर, and this resulted that grandfather also ready to take his teenage tiger Timothy, and narrator wants to take his chips. Chips are a squirrel. नैरेटर के पास नैरेटर एक जो पाले हुए था एक छोटी गिलहरी, उसके ग्रैंडफादर ने पाला हुआ था एक टाइगर, टीनेज कम उम्र का टाइगर, और एक पाइथन सांप अजगर, उसके ग्रैंडमदर ने पाला हुआ था एक पैरोट तोता. So all of them decided to take his pets with them, but grandfather decided to leave the python behind them. उसे छोड़ देना उन्होंने उचित समझा, because maybe python would disturb the people. So they decided to leave the python behind them. Now the journey has started. In the way, Timothy, a teenage tiger, didn't disturb anyway the passengers, coolie, vendors, ticket collectors, all are happy with the characters of Timothy, because Timothy didn't disturb them anyway. Even neither broke any railway property nor spitting on the platform. प्लेटफॉर्म पे उसने ना तो कहीं थूका ना ही प्लेटफॉर्म की संपत्ति को नुकसान पहुंचाया. But when the journey was just going to start, I mean, when the train just be left from Dehra station, Popeye pinched the ticket collector's ear and also beat sharply on his two fingers. That was the activity done by Popeye. Now, squirrel, Chips. Chips just come out from compartment and go outside. And as you know, even when you and your parents wants to go to another side, I mean another place, in train, you must buy roasted peanut. ट्रेन में बादाम खाने का शौक सबको होता है, टाइम पास. That's why Chips felt no problem to make friends, either the children or grown up. Grown up means elders. And within an hour, Chips the squirrel returned with his full stomach, just like bursting stomach. इतना खा के वो लौटा जैसे उसका पेट अब फट जाएगा. Now, the narrators felt hungry. That's why he said to his grandmothers, we should take our dinner. But grandmother refused to take it. When narrator opened the lid of the basket, जो खाने का एक सामान जो जिस थैले में रखा हुआ था, उसको जब नैरेटर ने खींच के बर्थ के नीचे से बाहर निकाला और जैसे ही उसका लीड ओपन किया, whatever he saw the lid of the tiffin had already opened and python curled in it very calmly. शांति पूर्वक उसमें वो कर्लिंग करके पाइथन बैठा हुआ था. He sat calmly because he had eaten all the items, whatever had kept for dinner by grandmother. Roasted chicken, boiled egg, sandwiches, all the things had been eaten by pythons. Only 2 or 3 apples the narrator saw in the basket. The rest of the story we will learn in the next class. Thank you.